Creating epic content. In this video, you'll learn how to create content that will convert, how to quickly become an authority in your niche, how to create a content calendar to ensure consistent updates, and how to know what kind of content will drive in unstoppable traffic. You need to truly create epic content that connects with your readers in order to build a profitable, evergreen authority website. Here's how. Write content that connects with your audience. Write content that persuades your audience, and write content that excites them. Content that connects with your audience means that you are able to build an authority or expert presence on that topic in your niche. This means your content needs to be well-researched, actionable, and comprehensive. Remember, not every piece of content on your website should require your reader to act. You need to build pillar content that simply provides value and helps them in some way. No commitments. Content that persuades. Your writing needs to motivate people into taking action, even if that simply involves returning to your website again. Spend some time reading content from authority websites. Identify the influential marketers in your niche and study their writing style. Write content that persuades your readers into taking action. Content that excites. Your content should be something that your readers want to share with their friends, family, and social media circles. Develop content that communicates a positive message that also supports your brand and demonstrates your knowledge on the topic. Identifying your content's overall objective before you even begin writing ensures you hit your target. Once you know what your objective is, concentrate on conveying your message in a concise and direct manner. Identifying your objective. Is your content designed to turn a visitor into a subscriber for your mailing list? Are you writing your content in order to have your readers share it with their social circles? Is your content written simply to further your brand awareness? Are you writing content to provide assistance and win them over? Are you creating content in order to generate a sale? It's important to identify your objective before you begin writing. Why you absolutely need epic content. Google won't rank low-quality content in the search engines. People won't feel inclined to share content on social media unless it's epic. People won't click affiliate links on sites that don't provide value or win them over. People won't join your list if you have content that doesn't motivate or move them in some way. And you'll never position yourself as an expert with thin, useless content. It's also important to create an editorial calendar. That way, you can stay on track when you create a calendar that includes ideas, headlines, and publication due dates. It also makes it easier for you to brainstorm new topics for future posts so you never get stuck wondering what to write next. Also helps you develop a consistent publishing schedule so that you're always releasing fresh content. And it helps you stay on track while you reach your goals. Here is your epic content checklist. Your blog post should be a minimum of 750 words. Aim for 1,000 to 1,500. Make sure your content is written in an authoritative yet conversational format, and don't be afraid to be different. Come up with a killer title, inject a few targeted keywords, and add in at least one image. Then link to authority blogs and established leaders in your niche. Your epic content system. First, decide on your topic and create your outline that breaks down your content. Then, come up with a killer title that will capture attention immediately. Uncover 3 or 4 sources for research. Spend some time reading blog posts on authority websites. Write a 1,500-word post, including images whenever possible. Break up your content into shorter paragraphs. Create a graphic for Pinterest and Instagram that you can use to link back to your website, and then share it everywhere you can. Here are some last-minute success strategies. Make sure your content is easy to share. Use apps like sumome.com. Give your visitors the option of saving your content in PDF format, such as with postgopher.com. Quote experts and marketers so they'll link back to you. Create interactive videos and post them to YouTube and Dailymotion. Build your own social network and share your content regularly. Use Buffer to automate the process so that your content is distributed amongst all the top social media communities. Don't forget to email your list from the very first subscriber, and guest post on authority websites and tap into their existing base of readers. Continue your training by watching the next Affiliate Rocket video.